Hello. You may have heard that we're moving toward a new set of Brightspace course templates. But before we talk about what changes are being made, we need to share a little bit about why they're being made. The Create team fields a lot of questions from students about navigating various Brightspace courses. These issues cause a lot of confusion and frustration for our students, but they also cause a lot of challenges for you as a faculty to build out your courses. We see a lot of these concerns in Survey Madness as well. These challenges are showing up in a significant way on national surveys. In the 2023 National Survey of Student Engagement, we were 32% lower than our peers when the students were asked if teachers taught course sessions in an organized way. 32% below our peers. We would not accept that level of performance from our students. Are we willing to accept that level from our classes? Many of you have great ideas. I understand wanting to hang on to them. I've tried to incorporate many of those ideas into our new templates. The challenge is that if there are 15 different great ideas, our students are faced with 15 different methods to navigate the classes. That's what causes the high level of confusion and frustration. That's why we see the data that we do, and why we need to make sure our classes are clean and consistent. We must move to the new templates. The Create team has designed a number of resources to help you with that migration to the new templates. The educational framework you all are familiar with has been incorporated into the new templates. This will allow you to copy and paste much of your information directly into the new content. We've also created a new design guide and checklist to help you incorporate the new design principles. The guide also provides links to key resources of educational framework so you can easily address each of those needs within your class. In addition, we've created training to help you walk through designing your own courses. The desired outcomes for this training are the following: that you as a faculty member will be able to explain why new templates are critical, that you'll be able to navigate the new resources we're providing to you, and finally that you'll be able to utilize those resources to design a consistent new course from the beginning. Week 1 includes this video, along with a review of the backward design process and an activity to help you define your course outcomes. Week 2 provides an overview of each of the segments of the new template and a deep dive into the use of the design guide and checklist. It also contains the new student success section. The great news is that the entire student success section is already in all of your courses. You don't have to do a thing. Week 3 will focus on aligning your weekly objectives to your course outcomes and then filling in the welcome section of your course. This will include the welcome video, a syllabus, and a new standardized calendar. The awesome news here with the new calendar will be that it's automatically created when you enter your due dates. Nothing more for you to do, and the students get a powerful, consistent calendar that can integrate with all of their other courses and in the calendar of their choice. Finally, Week 4 will develop the activities such as assignments, discussions, and quizzes for your course. As I mentioned earlier, in Week 2 we're going to take a little deeper dive into the educational frameworks, as well as the new design guidelines and checklist. For those of you that need a refresher, the educational framework are the 39 tenets that we built around how we plan, how we teach, and how we excel. The newly designed NMC Course Design Style Guide and Checklist is going to help you walk through the creation and navigation of all of the new content that you'll be creating for your classes. The overall style guidelines, it now defines all of the font choices, where the headings are used, what color the headings are, as well as imagery. We are providing a library full of student images from our students rather than generic course imagery for the banners. So in the welcome area, you'll see that we've got an instructor's welcome, your course calendar, the syllabus and syllabus survey, so students now actually have to answer that yes, they've read that. And then as we move down into course outcomes and objectives, those will be defined here and where they belong. But you'll also notice not only do we tell you how to put those together, but then refer back to the framework tenets, those 39 tenets that we just defined, and each of the tenets and where they might apply. So these first 3 apply to your course outcomes and objectives, and you'll be able to just click on the links to go watch the videos that help you navigate what should be done in those and what you should be thinking about. In addition to the style guidelines, we also have a course creation checklist. So now you can go through and check to make sure that you've done everything that you need to do throughout your course. So that's a quick overview of the style guide. In the next session, week 4, we'll take a look at individual assignments and activities throughout the week to accomplish those objectives. Thanks a bunch, and we'll see you next week.